Know thyself management or kill I should call your manager's manager. I need you to change your thinking right here. You see, more gold has been mined from the thoughts of man than has ever been taken from the earth. So I need you to breathe. I need you to come out of that tight situation you've been in. You've been under a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. I need you to breathe right here. Yeah, I need you to come to life right here. I don't need you to fall out. Don't pass out. I need you to get that last rep in. I need you to get that last study session in right here. Or if they got the paint blocked off, I need you to drive through, baby. You can only get fouled right here. That's right, that's right. They standing at the goal post, baby. But I need you to break through. I need you to not be tackled by one man. They need to bring all 11. I need you to fight. I need you to keep them legs pumping now. I need you to keep them knees high, baby. You're back in the drill again. I need you to stay in the grind. I see you at the plate. I see you at the plate. I need you to swing for the hills, baby. I need you to knock it out the park, baby. I see it right now. You there, right there, staring it down, baby. The odds are against you, but I need you to swing for the sky, baby. I need you to swing like the sky's the limit, baby. We taking it over. That's right, that's right. It's a full blast, baby. They've been trying to hold you back. They've been trying to hold you back. They got you suffocating now. But I need you to breathe for a minute. See, thinking is a discipline you have to train for it. Just like you train for any other career, any other hobby, any job, or any profession. Only good thinking is an intentional act for purposeful thinkers, baby. You see that? It's to seek to change that level of thinking, baby. I'm trying to tell you, you gotta breathe on them. Breathe for a moment. I need you to come to life. I need you to understand where you at. They trying to keep you down. They trying to keep you down, but I need you to breathe right now. I need you to just open up. You've been holding back. I need you to stop holding back. Stop holding your breath. You need to get that last rep. Breathe when you get that rep and blow it out. I need you to pump right here. You see they trying to take you down to the finish line, but they trying to keep you back. But I need you to breathe right now. I don't need you to get frustrated. I don't need you to be aggravated now. All right, now I just need you to breathe. I need you to look them square in the eye and breathe as you go forth. Hey, I just need you to breathe for them. I need you to keep making that, just keep making that push. You see those that think they can't do it, they will always fall. Never let your destiny be in the mouth of those that seek to keep you from reaching your destiny, baby. I need you to give a full push. Full push.